Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain about the conversion of one form of energy to the other form. The process of changing of one form of energy into the other form is known as the energy conversion. Because one form of energy is converted to other form, it is possible for us to obtain energy in the required forms. Let us consider some of the examples in order to know about this in detail. The first example is mechanical energy to electrical energy. Example is an electric generator. In a turbine generator, the force of the fluid on the blades rotate the shaft of a generator. The generator in turn converts the mechanical energy to the electrical energy. The next example is electrical energy to mechanical energy. Example is an electric motor. An electric motor is an electrical machine that converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. Most of the electric motors operate through the interaction between the motor's magnetic field and electric current in a wire winding to generate force in the form of torque applied on the motor shaft. Electric motors can be powered by DC, that is direct current sources such as from the batteries or rectifiers, or by the alternating current, that is AC sources such as the power grid, inverters or electrical generators. The electrical motor which we usually observe in our home are electric fan, washing machine, grinder, etc. The third example is electrical energy to heat energy. Examples are appliances such as geyser, oven, toaster. Electrical energy changes into heat energy when current passes through it. Let us take an example of the thing which we use daily. Just take an electric bulb and plug it in its socket. Now turn on the light for 5 to 10 minutes. Turn it off and touch the electric bulb. You can feel the heat in the electric bulb. It is because electrical energy is converted into heat and light energy. The next example is heat energy to electrical energy. Example is a thermocouple. A thermocouple changes the heat energy supplied at the hot junction into the electrical energy. Thermoelectric generators could be used in the power plants to convert waste heat into additional electrical power, and in automobiles as automotive thermoelectric generators to increase fuel efficiency. Radioisotope thermoelectric generators use radioisotopes to generate the required heat. The next example is electrical energy to the sound energy. Examples are loudspeaker, electric bell. An electric bell is a mechanical or electronic bell which functions by the means of an electromagnet. When electric current is applied, it produces a repetitive buzzing or ringing sound. The next example is sound energy to electrical energy. Example is a microphone. The energy change that takes place in a microphone is sound energy to electrical energy. A microphone converts sound into a small electrical current. Sound waves hit a diaphragm that vibrates, moving a magnet near the coil. So here sound energy is converted into electrical energy. The next conversion is electrical energy to chemical energy. Example is a charging battery. When the electrons move from cathode to anode, they increase the chemical potential energy, thus charging the battery. When they move in the other direction, they convert this chemical potential energy to electricity in the circuit and discharge the battery. And the next conversion is chemical energy to electrical energy. Example is a battery. A battery is a device that stores chemical energy and converts it into electrical energy. The chemical reactions in a battery involve the flow of electrons from one material, that is electrode, to another through an external circuit. The flow of electrons provide an electric current that can be used to do work. The next example is chemical energy to light energy. Example is burning of wood or coal. When we burn coal or wood, combustion reaction converts chemical energy into light and heat. Petroleum can be burned to release light and heat or changed into another form of chemical energy such as gasoline. The next conversion is light energy to chemical energy. Example is green plant. Light energy can be converted into chemical energy when plants absorb the light energy. They convert it into chemical energy for their own nutrition. Another real life example is sun. The sun which we see daily. It gives plant light energy which afterwards is converted into chemical energy. The next one is electrical energy to light energy. Example is an electric bulb. In case of an electric bulb, the electrical energy is converted into light and heat. The amount of electrical energy put into the bulb is equal to the amount of light energy, which is a desirable form, plus the heat energy that comes out of the bulb. It is an undesirable form. Light energy to electrical energy is the next example. And the example for this is an photoelectric cell. In a photoelectric cell, optical energy is being transformed into electrical energy because light photons are being absorbed and photoelectric current is being produced. The next example is heat energy to mechanical energy. Steam engine is an example for this because in a steam engine, machine for converting heat energy into mechanical energy using steam as a medium or working fluid. When water is converted into steam, it expands, its volume increasing about 1600 times. Steam is admitted through one inlet valve, forcing the piston to move to the other end of the cylinder. So here, heat energy is converted into mechanical energy. The next example is chemical energy to heat energy. And the example for this is lighting a candle, explosion of crackers, burning of coal, gasoline, etc. When coal and gasoline is burned, it changes chemical energy to heat energy. The next example is chemical energy to mechanical energy. Example is an automobile. When gasoline burns in a car engine, some chemical energy in the gasoline is converted into heat. This heat energy is converted into mechanical energy, which helps the car to move forward. The next example is electrical energy to magnetic energy. Moving a magnet around a coil of wire or moving a coil of wire around a magnet pushes the electrons in the wire and creates an electrical current. Electricity generators essentially convert kinetic energy into electrical energy. This process is known as the electromagnetic induction. Electricity can be generated by moving a wire through a magnetic field. When an electric wire cuts across magnet lines of the four, a current is produced in the wire. The next example is nuclear energy to electrical energy. Example is nuclear power plant. A nuclear power plant, which is abbreviated as NPP, is a thermal power station in which the heat source is a nuclear reactor. As is typical of thermal power station, heat is used to generate steam that drives a steam turbine connected to a generator which produces electricity. The next one is mechanical to heat energy. Example is moving parts of a machine, and the common example is when we rub our palms, the mechanical energy is converted into heat energy. Likewise, when two stones are rubbed, sparks are produced. When a workman rotates the sharpening wheel with his legs and places the edge of a knife or scissor on the wheel to sharpen, we see sparks which are produced due to friction. These are the example of mechanical energy to heat energy. This is the conversion of one form of energy into the other form. In our daily life, energy is required in many forms. Therefore, conversion of energy is important. I hope you like this. Thank you.